Hey, good morning, guys. It's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're heading out to check out a nice little 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home for a client. Nice big corner lot on the south end of town. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 950 Revere Drive. Nice little corner lot, south end of town. Nice houses around. No real junk I see. All right, let's go in and check it out. Got some side parking over there. Nice landscaping. Nice little entryway. They might be here, so might have to do a voiceover later. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1980, 1,584 square feet. Looks like it has a split floor plan, front kitchen. It's got nice laminate floors, vaulted ceilings. Nice stone veneer work, obviously it was added later. So you got a kind of cool little kitchen in the front of the house here. It's like they replaced the original drop ceiling type lights with new fixtures, which is cool. There's some granite tile counters. Granite little backsplash. Pretty nice. Got your indoor laundry with a little pocket door and a man door out to the garage. Little pantry. We'll go check out the garage in a minute. You have stainless appliances. So you have a nice size master with a slider out to the backyard pool area, vaulted ceilings, hot shelf, ceiling fans. Nice little master bath with dual sinks, granite tile counters, skylight, little walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your guest bath, granite tile counter, real clean. Granite tiled shower and tub. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. It's pretty good size. You have your standard sliding door closet. So you have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Just kind of a mirror of the other bedroom. Same closet setup. So this has a 2-car garage, but it has a 48-foot boat deep bay. Water heater, RO system, and water softener. All right, so let's go check out the pool area. All right, so you have a nice backyard pool area, full-length patio covered. So you have tons of side parking back here with hookups, looks like. Plus you have side parking and access from the other side of the street. They did the stamped concrete instead of cool deck, which was smart. Got a nice beach entry pool, a couple water spill pots. The pool looks like it's in excellent condition, newer. Nice block wall. Looks like the air conditioner is brand new. Got your pool equipment, not leaking, good shape. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the original listing pictures and all the pertinent listing information as well. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.